How can you add 0 before the numbers? So let's get started to my laptop. So here is my zip code, and here is 4 digit of zip code, and I want here the 0 before this number of 5 digit. So for that I will go to my shortcut key here, control plus this one, control 1, and this format cell will open. After that go here custom and delete this journal, delete this, and type here 5 times 0, 1 2 3 4 5. After doing that, just click on OK, and here you go, you will get all the 0 before this number, and it is converted into 5 digit. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.